these guys have escaped all summer long, and I basically just gave up about halfway through the summer. But there is one garden green that they really like. I'll show you what it is. They've pretty much destroyed my hostas and any of the flowers that I put up. But there is one thing that these chickens love above anything else. Swiss chard. And all that's left here is only because I just took a little bit of fencing off of it that they just couldn't get to some of it. You can see over here is my fenced in salad bed. And I took the fencing off of this a couple weeks ago. You'll notice that they're not big fans of this mustard green. I love it. It's like the old southern curly mustard or something. It is really spicy. I love it, but they don't care for it. And then over here, I still have this fenced in. So if you'll notice around the edges, it looks like maybe they got into the kale a little bit. They like kale a lot. Anytime they've been able to get to kale, they'll destroy it. But they do not bother with that mustard. They're not big fans of that mustard, but look at this. I had some really good looking Swiss chard and it was still doing well, but they could get it through the fence and they destroyed it. There's some more stinkers. Over there's some, I believe that's arugula. They didn't care for that, I guess, either. But now you know, Swiss chard. Chickens is its worst enemy. She really is a very good, like, guard watchdog. She's always looking around to see what's out there.